Welcome back, guys. So, we all keep hearing about these amazing ocean themed tables and boards these days, as they are quite magnificent to look at. Also, let's face it, you get a bit of the nature side into your decor standing in one place of your house. In today's video, I am going to make an ocean themed resin tabletop using high gloss casting resin. If you want to make one for yourself, watch this video till the end. I am using a solid wood tabletop on which I have painted one coat of gesso, on which I am going to pour this high gloss tabletop resin. At first, I mixed the clear resin from 3:1 ratio weight as it was given by the manufacturer, to which I added a little bit of the sand pigment that I had that comes from Epoke epoxies. It has an amazing color, it gives a very good casting, and to which I added another 2 scoops of sand because I wanted a texture for the beach side. I wanted to get a good beachy look to this, so I went on adding some extra sand to give it a wet, edgy look where the waves actually hit it. And also I added some sand on the back side for some extra added texture. This is totally optional. Some people may only use the pigments instead of the sand. So you can go on doing it as you like and the kind of look that you want to achieve for this. I also added some pebbles and shells to give it a more convincing look. And yes, I had my man helping me select the best pebbles that don't come above the table surface. I also gave these pebbles a wash of resin to give them a glossy wet look. After I was done with the first layer, I let it rest for 24 hours before I could get on with the ocean part of it. So for the ocean part of this, I chose 3 pigments for the different areas of the sea. The navy blue was for the deepest part, and I chose phthalic and aquamarine blue for the gradients near the shore. So once you're done with spreading and covering all the areas, you use a torch gun or a flame torch to just spread it around, mix it up, and also to pop the air bubbles that you can see on the surface. Now it was time to show some waves, for which I used the white opaque pigment. I used a heat gun to push the pigment and spread it over as my first layer of waves before I let it rest for the next 24 hours. For my next layer, I will be using the same method I did for the initial one. But this time I am using only navy blue and phthalic blue pigments, along with opaque white for the waves. This layer will be slightly transparent for the layer done below to be seen.